Welcome all. So now let's continue our discussion of series RLC circuit. So your series RLC circuit at resonance is also called as voltage magnifier or voltage amplifier. The reason is that the capacitor and inductor voltages are greater than the applied voltage. That's why it is amplifier or magnifier. Then capacitor voltage is given by Vc equal to minus jq into V, where q is the quality factor and V is the applied voltage. And this minus j has an angle of minus 90 degree, so it becomes qV angle minus 90 degree. And inductor voltage is VL equal to J QV, where Q is quality factor, V is applied voltage, and this J has an angle of plus 90 degree, so it is equal to QV angle 90 degree. So in question, if they ask you to calculate capacitor voltage and inductor voltage at resonance, then you should use this formula. This is the capacitor voltage at resonance only, and this is inductor voltage at resonance only. Okay. Now, if anybody asks you what is the amplitude of capacitor voltage, the amplitude is Q into V only. And this minus 90 degree is the angle. What is the inductor voltage? The amplitude of inductor voltage, amplitude of inductor voltage is Q into V only. Okay. So before we go for the numerical, just quickly revise the concept of resonance, then you will get interest to solve the numericals. So first one, at resonance, impedance is minimum and its value is R. Then graph of impedance versus frequency. So the graph of impedance versus frequency is like this. So its graph is like this. So at resonant frequency, the impedance is minimum. Then before resonant frequency, the nature of the circuit is capacitive in nature. After resonant frequency, the nature of the circuit is inductive in nature. The next point, resonant frequency formula, omega naught equal to 1 upon under root LC, radian per seconds. Then bandwidth formula, bandwidth equal to R by L. It is independent of capacitor. Even if I change the capacitor, my bandwidth will not change. Then quality factor formula, Q equal to, one formula is omega 0 L by R. Omega 0 L divided by R. Second formula is 1 upon omega 0 CR. So these formulas must be clear and you should remember these formulas also. Another formula is 1 by R under root L by C. So these are the three formulas of quality factor. If quality factor is high, then means circuit is more selective. More selective means it will select desired frequency and reject all other frequencies. Then we will talk about current. We will talk about current. So what is the current at resonance? Current is minimum or maximum? Current is maximum at resonance because I is inversely proportional to Z. It is Vm by Z. So as impedance is minimum, current is maximum. And graph of current versus frequency. So the graph of current versus frequency is like this. So at resonance frequency, the current is maximum. Then at resonant frequency, the current is maximum and maximum power is dissipated at resonant frequency. Then we have two more frequencies, omega 1 and omega 2. At omega 1 and omega 2, the power is dissipated half of its maximum value. That's why these are called as half power frequency. So if all these formulas are clear, then we can go for the numericals. And capacitor voltage at resonance is QV angle minus 90 degree. Inductor voltage is QV angle 90 degree. Amplitude is QV. Amplitude is QV. Okay, let's see this example. For the series RLC circuit shown in figure, determine resonant frequency. So one series RLC circuit is provided and we have to determine the resonant frequency. We have to determine bandwidth, quality factor, current at resonance, current at half power frequencies. Okay. So resonant frequency formula is omega naught equal to 1 upon under root LC. Inductor is 0.5 millihenry, capacitor is 0.2 microfarad. So just substitute. Millihenry means 10 raised to minus 3, microfarad means 10 raised to minus 6. 0.5 into 0.2 is 0.1. So 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 9, that means 1 upon under root 10 raised to minus 10. So it will be 1 upon 10 raised to minus 5, and it comes in the numerator, it becomes 10 raised to 5. So resonant frequency is 10 raised to 5. Unit is radian per second. Now next we have to calculate bandwidth. What is bandwidth formula? R upon L. R is 10 ohm and L is 0.5 millihenry. So 10 upon 0.5 millihenry, how much? 10 upon 0.5 millihenry. So 10 upon 0.5 millihenry is 10 upon 0.5 millihenry is 2 into 10 raised to power 4 radian per second. Then quality factor formula, Q equal to omega 0 L by R. Omega 0 is 10 raised to 5. L is 0.5 millihenry. R is 10. So quality factor comes out as 5. Then there is another method to calculate the bandwidth. Q equal to omega 0 upon bandwidth. Resonant frequency divided by bandwidth. That means bandwidth is resonant frequency divided by quality factor. Resonant frequency is 10 raised to 5. Quality factor is 5. So 10 raised to 5 divided by 5, we will get the answer as 2 into 10 raised to power 4 radian per second. And another formula is R by L. Either way, you can get the value of bandwidth. And in hertz, bandwidth will be 2 pi into omega naught. So 2 pi into 10 raised to power 2 pi into 2 into 10 raised to power 4, it comes out as 125.6 kilohertz. Okay. We have to determine the current at resonance. So current at resonance is Vm upon R. We have seen the graph of current. So its value is at resonance. Its value is Im divided by Vm divided by R. Im equal to Vm divided by R. So it comes out as Vm is 10 volt. As you can see in the question, it is 10 volt. Vm is 10 volt. Peak amplitude of voltage is 10 volt. And R is 10 ohm. So Vm divided by R comes out as 1 ampere. So current at resonance is 1 ampere. Also, we have to determine the current at half power frequencies. And at half power frequency, current value is 0.707 Vm by R. So 0.707, 10 by 10, that means 0.707 ampere. So this is the current value at resonance. Okay. So we have determined all the things. First, resonant frequency by the formula 1 upon under root LC, then quality factor by the formula omega naught L by R, then bandwidth by using this relation, bandwidth equal to omega 0 upon resonant frequency divided by quality factor, or you can use bandwidth equal to R by L. Only calculations are there. You should be careful with the calculations. 10 raised to milli means 10 raised to minus 3, micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Then at resonance, current is Vm divided by R, and at half power frequencies, current is 0.707 Vm by R. And if anybody asks you what is the inductor voltage at resonance, so inductor voltage is QV angle 90 degree. So quality factor is 5 and applied voltage is 10 volt. So 5 into 10, that means 50 angle 90 degree. So this is the inductor voltage at resonance, and capacitor voltage is 50 angle minus 90 degree, because the formula is capacitor voltage formula is minus QV angle minus 90 degree. Capacitor voltage formula is QV angle minus 90 degree. So it comes out as 50 angle minus 90 degree. Okay. Thank you.